Hi, my name is Marla Knoll, OC Growth Advisors. Welcome to the Fundamentals of Finance. In this module, I'm going to talk about how we can understand our financial statements. What does that mean? It includes identifying the components of the financial statements, the balance sheet, the income statement, the statement of cash flow. Also, how are we going to use the balance sheet and the income statement in our business, and how we're going to affect change and improvement in our business with our financial statements. Welcome to the Fundamentals of Finance, Module 1. In this module, you will learn how to understand your financial statements. Real quickly about me, Marla Knoll. I ran a local mid-sized business for a little over 15 years. And then sold the business for 15 times EBITDA, which is a very good number. I participate in 3 for-profit boards and have served on several nonprofit boards. I am an adjunct professor at Chapman in the business school. I'm a licensed CPA, and I received my MBA actually from Chapman. I work with clients to help them understand the importance of focusing on the vital few so that they can grow their business and manage their business in the right way. I also facilitate strategy meetings and help the business owners to manage their accountability. Why is it important that you know your financials? I've got many horror stories, but one that really sticks in my mind from a very early age. A long time ago, I had a client of a CPA firm that I worked in, and this client was seemed old to me because I was 20 something, and the client was about 60 something, and he had the same bookkeeper for over 14 years. Really trusted this bookkeeper, of course, because he knew the bookkeeper so well. So he didn't review his financials, he didn't check on his bank balances, and the bookkeeper stole all of his cash. So this poor man, he was an optometrist, probably could never retire or sell his business. And I think of this guy, even to today, how desperately horrible that would have been to him and his whole life. I also want to emphasize that there are people that will apply for the CFO job or the controller job or the accounting manager job when they really don't know accounting. So I helped, once upon a time, I helped a client to hire a CFO, and we interviewed about 12 people, and only 4 of those people knew accounting actually and passed my accounting test, which is a pretty basic bookkeeping test. So there were 8 people that came to apply for that position, and this was through a company that only provided CFOs and theoretically tested people to see if they knew accounting. But quite a few people will say they know accounting when they actually do not. So I want you as a business owner or manager to understand your financial statements and the importance of the financial statements. So what is included? I'm going to talk about the balance sheet and the income statement and the statement of cash flow. And I'm going to explain what is in each one of those financial statements and how you can use them.